Hey guys, I'm halfway there now, rather we are, you and me, because I'm not doing this alone. 500 subscribers. Oh, I halfway there. Like, you realize that this is, like, to me, this is, it's still unbelievable. I might actually, if things keep on moving the way they are, I might actually make it to 1,000 subscribers. It's like, it's, yeah. I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. So instead of stuttering like, well, whatever I am, I'll just get into the reflection part and tell you a little bit about how things are moving right now. Because I can't really express thank you. Like, I really mean it. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much it means to me that my silly little videos are actually helping some people out, or at least somebody finds them interesting. I would have never thought so when I started. This little hobby of mine, because it's just a hobby. Like, I have my own job and I work full time and all this. I really only, I just make these videos because it's fun. And to have them actually bring value to somebody else is amazing. It's everything I've ever wanted. So thank you. I really mean it. But enough about the mushy stuff. Let's get into some self-reflection or reflection what in general. I don't know what happened, but very recently there was a sharp influx of new subscribers from China, actually. So ni hao, everybody. Sorry, excuse my pronunciation, but I want you to thank you, because I have really been slacking off with my Chinese studies. I study Mandarin in my spare time, and Japanese and Spanish and so forth. I really like languages, so when I have a few moments every night, I try to study different languages. And so now that I don't know what happened. At first I actually thought it was one of my colleagues I have two colleagues that are from China, and they're absolutely amazing people. I love working with them, I really do. And I actually thought at first that maybe they had found the channel and like shared it with their friends or something. I don't know. Something happened anyway, so I had a massive influx of subscribers, and I'm so, once again, I'm so flattered. You have no idea. But anywho, apart from that, there seems to be an increase in activity nowadays. Like, the influx of subscribers is fairly, it's getting to a point where it's actually pretty good. At least I don't know what good is, because, like, guys, I have no idea how to manage a YouTube channel in some type of like serious way. Like this is just me making some videos. That's it. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Half of the some of the videos are just me posting like experiments. Like, for example, right now I started a little series where I just raise code. I have made some silly scripts, and I just do some very unprofessional benchmarking for some code, and I have no idea if that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing, but I don't care. If nobody wants to watch it, then I'll simply stop making them. And that's kind of the I've been watching some of these people who tell you how to grow your channel and so forth, and they do something they call keyword research, where they try to figure out what videos they should make so that people want to watch them. And I'm sorry guys, that's not really my style, because I would like to think that I know enough about how it is to be a programmer to know what could potentially be interesting to a programmer. I mean, I didn't have to research, like, I've never basically never done any research on the videos that I make. I just make videos that I think could probably be good. So if you like, this is why I keep telling you, if you like the video, that's great. Post a comment and we can have a chat. If you don't like the video, then that's okay as well. Just tell me why you didn't like it and what you would prefer, and I'll have a look at that, because I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea. I just come up with ideas, and I take in feedback from subscribers who ask for things, and I try to give you the things that you want, or at least the things that I think I can answer. I would sometimes I get a request where I tell them that I'm not really capable of answering something like that, because I don't want to. I can give you my novice viewpoint on something, but I also want to be I can give you my viewpoint, but I also make sure that when I'm fairly certain of what I'm saying, and when I'm a little bit, I don't really know exactly what's going on there, because I want you to, as I've said before, to be able to trust that this is not, the things that I say are not just things that I make up completely. It should be something you can trust fairly, with a fair amount of certainty. Everything is not going to be perfect. It's never going to be perfect, but I'll try my best to make it as accurate as possible. So apart from that, what else is going on? I have started making a few more bootcamp videos. Right now, I have two short-ish video series that are like CSS tricks, where I just show you different CSS things that could be useful to know. And I have some for JavaScript as well. And now I'm working on something that is more network-based. Like I call it Express Bootcamp. And the idea is virtually just that you and I will learn about the server-client relationship, and we will learn how HTTP works and the different protocols, and how RESTful APIs, and like all of these different things. How basically we're just going to walk through different examples of what can be useful to know about the server and the client, and how they talk to, like how they interact with each other. I thought that could be useful, and I've also started messing around with a few bootcamp series for Java, for example, to see if I can expand a little bit on that. And what else? I made a shitload of freestanding tutorials, guys. A lot of them. I haven't filmed all of them, but everything from like international users to rendering speeds to considerations for supporting multiple customers, like tons and tons of like freestanding videos. I'm also making some stuff with operation-based videos and stuff like that. I just have to kind of get the time to film it all, but it's all prepared, and it's really just down to me to get my thumb out and sit down and actually just tape everything. And yeah, apart, what else have I learned? No, I think that that's pretty much it. All I can really tell you is that they seem to move in like faster and faster, which makes me super happy. A little bit scared as well. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit scared, but overall I'm just happy. Let's call it a happy scared combo. But definitely predominantly happy. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any feedback or anything like that, just reach out. But you should by now know that I try to every morning, guys, and I mean every morning I sit down, and before I start working, and I try to reply to as many people as possible. Of course, I'm not going to be able to reply to absolutely everybody just as they post something, but I try to pay attention. So hopefully we can keep on having this little nice dialogue between us, because at the end of the day, that's all I'm here for. I'm just here to talk to you, answer questions if you have questions, and share some thoughts. That's it. I don't represent anybody except myself. This is really only a vlog series or a channel or whatever about things that one single random programmer finds as he progresses through his career. I'm not endorsed by anybody. I don't endorse, like, it's just me. So hopefully that's good enough. Have a great day.